Lesson 35. The soft sign.
This can be a little bit of a confusing letter because I think generally when we think of a letter, we think that the letter itself has a sound. But in this case, we call this a soft sign because it's a sign. It's not an actual sound by itself, but it's kind of a signal to you that when you see this letter, it does something to the letter that precedes it. You will usually find this letter after a consonant, and it will signal to you that the consonant should be palatalized or become soft.
So how would it change the sounds of those two words we have here, the two sample words, one with and one without it?
So the first word, which is the word for angle, ugal, if you hear at the end of that word, the L is, I would describe it as angular and kind of a hard sound, ugal. And the second word, ugal, which is the word for coal, ugal. So there's a l sound at the end versus l. So again, this is having to do with where the placement of the tongue in the mouth is. The first one, only the tip of the tongue is touching the roof of the mouth, l, and the tongue is taking kind of like a concave shape. And the second pronunciation, the word ugal, the entire tongue is placed flat against the roof of the mouth to make that sound l.
So the position of the tongue really changes the quality of the tone of that last sound, right?
Exactly.